Happy Halloween 2023, everybody. Boyd here with you. Well, I just wanted to make a quick little video today to show you guys I completed my Halloween build for this year. This is the 3D printed Michael Myers figure that I showed you guys from a little while back. I found this on the web for free. It's a really nice little figure, and it comes with a little base there. I printed the figure in resin, and then I printed the base with my FDM printer, and it did a really good job because there's a lot of like rough texture on that base. They wanted it to look like old distressed wood, so I just did a kind of a beat up paint job on that with some weathering. I wanted it to look like the porch on the old Myers house when it was really run down, and everything turned out really good, you guys. The figure itself is really nice. It's sort of a modern interpretation of Michael Myers from the more recent movies. I really like the detail on the mask. It's more sort of updated. It looks a little bit more worn and distressed. It's got a little bit more character to it, but it still has that weird, creepy kind of emotionless blank stare that Michael Myers always had. And they did a great job on the sculpture. It looks really good. They got the hair looking really nice, and the detail on the jumpsuit and everything, right down to even where he was shot in the upper chest there at the end of the first movie, and a little bit on his side there. Got a little rip in his pants leg where he's been wounded. And it's just a really, really nice sculpt. I really like it. I'd say it's probably about 1/8 scale. I printed this at 100%, so he's probably about, the figure itself is probably about 6 or 7 inches tall, and then you got another couple inches with the base here, but it turned out really good, you guys. The pumpkin down here is nice too, because they copied the detail from the first movie. You can see where the little slice from the nose down to the mouth is there, and it looks just like it. They made that so it's hollow, so you can light it really easy. So I've just got an 0805 flickering yellow SMD. I drilled a hole all the way through the base, and then just surface mounted that, and then ran it down into my lower base here with a 9-volt battery. So real simple to set that up. I'll just kind of give you a nice shot of the flickering pumpkin there. But yeah, this is a great figure, you guys. I did a little detail here. I put some real crumpled up leaves that I gathered from around the yard on the steps there, a couple little weeds. You know, it's been really neglected. That's what I wanted it to look like. Got a little blood dripping on his boots and his hands, and just little stuff like that. To me, a transparent red works really good for that. But yeah, I had a lot of fun with this, you guys. I always enjoy working on Halloween stuff. It's my favorite holiday next to Christmas, and this was just a really nice little sculpt, especially for free. So you can print this, you'll see it in the files, you can print this all solid, or you can print it in parts. I printed the head separate, the arms separate, and then the torso and the lower legs were all one piece. The base does have a couple little pegs on there, so when you glue him on, he's connected on there nice and solid. So it's a really nice little set of files. So maybe you guys will find this and print one of these off for yourself. It's pretty cool. So, okay guys, well that's a wrap for this one. I had a blast working on this. I've got a bunch more parts packs that came in for my ongoing builds. Update coming soon on the Millennium Falcon, the DeLorean, the Ford GT40. All the stuff I'm working on, and a couple more updates coming on the Enterprise refit really soon, you guys. So, hope you guys enjoy your Halloween out there. Be happy, be safe, have a good time. We'll see you in a couple of days and back with more. Until then, take care and happy modeling, everybody.